It's a really bright, crisp winter morning, and yeah, it's a good day to try out snowshoes now that we actually have snow. So, just waiting for it to get a little bit earlier in the day and grab some breakfast and then heading out. So we got these Snow Mountain snowshoes from Costco that we're going to try out today. They basically come like this, and very quickly we'll just take it apart and I will show you what it looks like out of the bag. Out of the box, two poles, two snowshoes, and it comes with a storage bag for later, which is really nice. So you don't have this all loose everywhere somewhere. So we're going to take these out, do some snowshoeing, and let you know what I think about them afterwards. So I just wanted to add that the second snowshoe, because it's flat packed, actually isn't completely set up. So you do need to take a little bit of time when you're getting ready to go and actually install the belts over the shoes and ensure that you get them set up. It's not that hard to do, and the main issue that you have is that the back one, because it is designed to basically allow anyone's size foot in there or a giant boot, there's a significant amount of slack that you need to pull out on the right hand side before you start using the actual ratchet to close the boot. Now here we just sort of put it through a loop and hold it, but if you're going to be the sole user of the boot, you can definitely cut off that excess nylon threading. Once you've done that, you can then, again, using your boot, or you can put your foot in the boot if you want to do this, if you have some help. Basically make sure that the snowshoe is sized properly for your size of footwear, and it's going to fit comfortably in your setting. And then we're going to take it outside, where we're actually going to then try this with an actual snowshoe like you would normally do once you've reached your hiking destination. Alright, so we're ready to go and do some snowshoeing. Alright, so here we are, we're walking with these. It's a little bit fun. I'm not collapsing into the snow, so that's good. And yeah, we're just gonna make our way down to the lake shore, and we're gonna walk across the, well, not across the lake, but along the lake shore and see how that goes. Quite a bit of snow. We have about, I'd say, 1.5 to 2 feet in some spots. So hopefully that's gonna work out well. And yeah, obviously I haven't done this in a while, so woohoo! Overall, these work really well. They're nice and sturdy. The poles have a good feel to them, and they aren't super heavy, which was an issue with my older snowshoes when we had them back in the day, and they were made of sinew and wood. So we're going to turn around because there's some water here, so this is as far as we can go, and we're going to head back into the house. But I do hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll catch us on the next one.